Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and today I'll show you how you can record the screen on this device. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen twice, which will show you your toggles, and then on one of the pages you will find Screen Recorder, which for me is right here. Click on it and then choose what kind of what you want to record. So we have the option to record, for instance, single applications, or if we click right here, we can also choose to record the entire screen. Then we can select our audio recording. So we have option between device, audio, microphone, or both. And obviously if this is off, it's not going to record any audio. And then we can also show touches on the screen, which just shows a semi-transparent gray dot on the recording wherever your finger was touching the display. Let's start recording. This begins a 3-second countdown, and then with a notification, starts recording. So from here we can just open up any kind of application that we might want to record. And then once you're done, pull down your notifications and click right here to stop. This will then automatically save your screen recording to your Photos application. And you can see it right here. It's going to be stored under Movies. Later on, if you have more content right here, you'll get another tab right here, which will allow you to choose albums. And in albums, you'll find things like Movies album, screenshots, and any other albums that you might have. For me, because there's just one thing here as a media, you don't have this button, but the more you have, it will appear with it, and then you can choose it. Now you can also tap on the Movies title right here, and this will take you to the Movies album itself. And obviously in here you'll find Movies, which includes downloaded, for instance, videos, movies, videos that you have captured with your phone, along with screen recordings. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.